What's poppin' YouTube? It is your boy Chris back again with another drive along with me on my way to work. Now, in today's video, I wanted to talk about a specific topic. Now, this is an opinion-based topic, so everybody's gonna have a different opinion. Everybody's gonna think something other than the other person, but it's an opinion. This is my opinion. You can go ahead and share your opinion on this specific topic down in the comments below. Now, the opinion that I want to talk about today is automatic cars, as you referenced. Now, this has been brought to my attention because in one of my previous videos, I got a comment that said, how since I drive an automatic car, my car sucks, right? And you know, that is a topic that a lot of car people like to talk about, like whether automatics suck or not. Now, I'm making this video specifically for the type of people that are like, man, I want a specific car, but I don't know if I should get the automatic or if I should get the stick, you know? Now, this is my opinion here. I'm standing right here, right now. Do whatever makes you happy. If you want to get an automatic, get the automatic. If you want to get the stick, get the stick. At the end of the day, it's whatever you feel more comfortable with, whatever you like more. If you like driving stick, go ahead and drive stick. If you like driving automatic, go ahead and drive automatic. Now I get it, it's a lot more fun to drive a car that's manual, but not everybody knows how to drive manual for one. So just because you don't know how to drive manual shouldn't discourage you from becoming a car guy. Also, if you notice, a lot of the newer cars that are coming out, sports cars, supercars, they're not really making them manual. You want to know why? Because automatics in the end are better, quotation marks, because again, this is all relative as to what you want to do. If you want to go fast and be like the fastest person there is, that's what an automatic is for, because nobody is going to shift quicker than a damn machine, you know? So that's why a lot of these cars that they're making nowadays are automatic, because there's no way you're going to be able to shift quicker than the actual transmission will. You could be really good. You could have a driver's mod installed into your car, but you probably won't beat an automatic just for the simple fact that it's an automatic. Now, me personally, I don't care if I were to drive an automatic or a stick shift. It's not something that to me is like, oh, you have to stick to either driving automatic or driving a stick. It's not that serious, in my opinion. For some people it is, some people it's not. So yeah, truly it's whatever you feel comfortable, whatever you want to drive. Forget what anybody else has to say. If you want to drive an automatic car, go ahead and drive an automatic car. If you want to drive a stick car, go ahead and drive that stick car. Because at the end of the day, the one that's driving that car is you. And whichever way you find you're going to have more fun with, go ahead. You know? Me personally, I like stick shift cars, but I'm a complaint. I don't know how to drive stick. And I knew I needed a car. When I bought this car, my circumstances were I needed a car and I needed a car quick. So I just went with a freaking automatic. I didn't have time to, you know, learn and stuff. If I would have had the time to learn how to drive a stick, then I would have gotten a stick, but I didn't have that. Look, I mean, yeah, it's not bad. Automatics are not bad. If you drive an automatic, it doesn't make you less of a driver than the next guy, you know. It's a very, in the car community, that whole you drive an automatic, it's a whole like thing, but it's just not that serious. So yeah, again, this video is for you, little Timmy, who you're gonna get your first car and you don't know how to drive a stick and you don't know if you should get the automatic. Go for it. Unless there's like something that says, oh, you know, this car drives terrible. If it's not a stick shift car, it drives bad, then get it. If it doesn't say that, you know. But yeah, that's basically my 2 cents on the whole topic of automatics versus stick shift. Do whatever makes you happy. If you get that reference, you get it. If you don't, oh well. Actually, it's do whatever
you want to do.
But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, until next time, peace. Bye.